What is up, YouTube? On my light skin tip today, back with another video. Today we are with the new Ford Everest. So, fun fact: this is not your regular Everest. This is not the XLT. This is not the Sport. This is not the Wild Track. This is the Platinum. So, top of the range Ford Everest, just coming in at a smidge under 1.2 million rand. Let me show you around. There we go. Brand new Ford Everest Platinum. Immediately, straight off the bat, I can tell you this thing looks cool. It's got the traditional American big boxy SUV shape, which I think looks absolutely unique, especially in South Africa. Got some cool tail lights at the back. This girl is continued inside on the air conditioning vents. Got the big platinum badge over here. Up here we have a radar that gives you your adaptive cruise control. 184 kilowatt V6, 3-liter diesel V6 that is under here. 600 newtons as well, which will allow you to tow up to, I think, 3.5 tons. C-shape LEDs from the Ford Ranger. Got some fog lights. These are also quite epic. 21s. So what makes the Platinum special? This entire vehicle, as huge as it is, there is only one option on it, and that is the color. So I think you pay like 1,800 or something for this color. This is called Meteor Gray, but everything else is standard on this vehicle. Got some nice rails. This is the 4-wheel drive. This is a 7-seater, and this is now with the seats folded up at the back. Not a lot of boot space. What's nice is that these are automatic, so you just hold this down and it'll do all the folding and stuff for you. It's one touch, you don't even have to hold it. With both of them folded down, the boot gets significantly bigger. There's a tow bar, electronic tailgate as well. This is the tank. Got some diesel, got some AdBlue, got some automatic doors. Speaking of doors, a very interesting door mechanism here. So normally you would just click that and then pull here. You just do it in one. Now let's talk about what does Platinum mean. Platinum is the top of the range Everest, which means you're gonna get the utility of your Everest with the luxury. Overall, I really like how this thing looks. I love how intimidating it is. Okay, so we are now inside the Everest Platinum. First thing you'll notice is this colossal center screen or physical climate control buttons. Up front you have a virtual instrument cluster. It is a huge improvement from the previous Everest. So you've got that bucky utility, you've got that SUV space, and now with the Platinum, you've got that extra touch of luxury. You've got a Bang & Olufsen sound system in here. You've got a nice big screen up front, wireless CarPlay. So on the steering wheel is a bit improved from the previous one. Got some nice leather on it. This is what the horn sounds like. Nice American horn, baby. You've got your adaptive cruise control. It's got automatic lane centering, your volume controls, your Hey Siri button. Up here is just your media controls. That is for the screen up here. So I just want to show you the instrument cluster. Something that's really cool, I love these little gauges at the top there. Fuel consumption, 12.2. There is an eco mode. Then you've also got this little shifter over here, which makes it really convenient when you're like off-roading and you need to switch to like your different modes on the fly. That happens quite quickly. You've got a dedicated parking button, traction off, auto stop start. This is just a shortcut to like your different camera views. The cameras are really good on this car. 360 mode, your front camera, more front cameras, your rear camera, your tow camera. The seats are very nice. Memory seat, electronically adjustable with lumbar support. You've got heated seats and you've got cool seats. Also, these rear seats are heated as well. It is a family car, but the USB slots are quite limited. So up front, you've got 2 of them. You can see you have a USB-C, you've got a USB OG, you've got a wireless charge, got some cup holders over there. Not really a fan of this gear shifter, purely because it's just way too sensitive, right? I'm going to change it with my pinky. So watch this. I'm just going to apply a little bit of force. It's already in drive. But, I mean, not a deal breaker. It's just a shifter. You're going to touch it once when you leave and once when you park. Up here, put your shades. How's this panoramic sunroof? You've got some storage up there, which is quite handy. You've got your cubby down here to hide your drinks. So in terms of this interior, just behind the wheel, very nice feel to it. You've got that utilitarian, like you're driving a tank, but with some luxury behind it. Alright, so hopping into the back of the Everest, you'll see here we have a 3-seat bench setup. Nice headrests, nice leather quilted with the heated seats and the air conditioning. We've got some air conditioning back here, cup holders, air conditioning, 2 USBs, and then there's also a plug back here. Let's talk about this car now. 1.17 million rand. Everything is standard. Every single feature that I showed you in here is standard. I think it is a very good value proposition from Ford, especially people who are familiar with the brand, especially if you would be coming from a German SUV like a previous gen or something and you're looking to get into something a bit more rugged with those luxury touch. Fuel consumption wise, I think it's fairly decent for a 3-liter huge fire-breathing V6. It's not very fast. I mean, highway speeds, once you get going, overtaking is not an issue. The car does feel heavy, but if you're used to driving big cars, it's kind of not an issue. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, would you buy this car? What other car would you like me to review? So yeah, let me know. Thank you for watching and have an awesome one, guys.